In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear plate bracket on this BMW X5. It's going to be located on the rear liftgate. Let's get into it. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, take these screws out. And there's the old plate bracket. Take the plate bracket that's lined up. And get the screws started. Tighten down the screws. Snug those down. That's tight. Now you can install your license plate and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.